Go.
Hi, it's Jim from Discovery Toys, and we are continuing our countdown to the Christmas cutoffs. And this evening I'm going to show you Robo Racer. Robo Racer is it's a pretty cool construction toy. It comes with these small pieces that you would simply click together. And once you assemble these pieces, you'll create a race car like you see here. It's a Robo Racer. And then you can, with a couple of tucks here and there, and a couple of maneuvers, you can transform your Robo Racer into a robot, right? A robot action figure. So I'm going to let my expert Robo Racer transformer, Savannah, is going to show you how to transform this racer. It does come with these cool instructions, with these pretty good size illustrations. Right, so one side will show you how to assemble the pieces. As I mentioned, it comes with these click and snap pieces, right, to build your racer. And then the other side of the instruction sheet will show you how to transform your vehicle into a robot action figure. And Savannah's working on that now. See, it's almost finished. And there you go, your race car. Well, these are actual working wheels as well. Your race car has... And there's your robot action figure. So that is Robo Racer. Available now from Discovery Toys. And we will see you soon.